You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Good evening. This is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority with an update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for Monday, June 19th. As of 8 p.m. today, GWA has maintained 96 wells in operational status, producing 33.8 million gallons a day of water for our northern and central systems. GWA has made several adjustments to the distribution system operations in an attempt to build reservoir levels in Mangilao, Barrigada, and Chaot over the weekend. As of this evening, service restoration has climbed to above 95% of customers, with only Barrigada and Mangilao having customers with intermittent service. Reservoir levels in other areas continue to show modest improvement. Distribution crews are working into the night to tackle main breaks in Malesso and other areas, and addressing smaller service lateral issues in Yigo causing pocket outages in isolated areas. Our compliance and safety teams continue to sample and analyze water from our distribution system, focusing on the few villages where the precautionary boil water notice remains in effect. I am happy to report that analytical results for samples from these areas came back today all clear. Compliance inspectors today responded to complaints about prohibited water usage and issued notices to comply with GWA's water conservation advisory. Finally, our production team continues to work into the night to complete an additional pump and motor replacement in Tizan to assist with reservoir levels affecting Barrigada and downstream areas. We ask for your continued patience as we work to get to 100% restoration in the next few days. Thank you, and Sijulas Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.